In this quick video, I will tell you all about our two distinct product families and show you why professionals choose Philips waterproof products for their important jobs. Due to Philips' unique waterproof quality, you can apply the products to a number of areas such as industry, manufacturing and warehousing. This allows for total freedom of usability in anything from parking lots and production areas to restrooms and kitchens. If you are looking for optimal performance, we first suggest looking at the Philips Coreline range. The product lifetime is at an impressive 75,000 hours, with savings of up to 65% compared to conventional lighting. The Ledinaire also reaches 50,000 hours of lifetime, with a slightly lower 63% savings compared to conventional lighting. The Coreline waterproof has an efficacy up to 140 lumen per watt, in comparison to the Ledinaire's 120 lumen per watt. Both products have color temperatures of 4000 and 6500 Kelvin. Coreline also offers 3000 Kelvin options. There are three length versions to choose from: 600 mm, 1200 mm and 1500 mm. Some unique features of the Coreline waterproof are an Interact-ready smart lighting option, emergency lighting, and an integrated motion sensor option. Both products have an IK08 rating, while Coreline is IP65 and Ledinaire IP66. Coreline is dimmable and has extra add-ons such as vandal-proof installation, wide beam distribution, and a waterproof external connector for installation. You can also be assured that both products have a CE mark and CB scheme, with Coreline scoring an additional ENAC mark certification. If you want to learn more about which of our Philips waterproof ranges is the best fit for you, check out Waterproof under Products in the Signify LoomExpert app.